problem is data types, and the level of this problem is easy. Let's see what is problem statement. We have given some data types given below: integer, long, float, double, character, and our task is to take the input in the given format and print them in the same order. Yeah, in below there are some inputs given and we have to print them. Okay, so in this problem we have to take the input from the user and we have to print it as it is. Okay, so first we have taken, let's see how we can take the input from the user in each data type. First we have taken the scanner class, then first we have to take the user input for integer. Okay, so we have declared one integer variable and this method in sc dot next int. Sc is the object of scanner class, so this sc dot next int, this method can be used to take the integer input from the user. Then yeah, long data type, for long data type dot next long method can be used to take the user input. Then for float, next float method can be used to take float user input from the user. And for double dot next double method can be used to take the input from the user. And one last for character sc dot next dot caret and in bracket 0, this method can be used to take the character input from the user. Now let's try to print both of this. So system dot out dot println and will pass the variable. Okay, so we'll print the each and every dot out dot println 3 4 5. Okay, so for long, for float, this for double, and this for character. Okay, so let's try to run. These are the inputs given and we need to print the as it is. So let's try to run. Okay, see, let's see output is showing as it is. Now let's try to submit the code and see the test cases are passing or not. Okay, some test cases are not passing. Why so? 2 3. Okay, 2 3 1.543 1321 and C. Okay, system.out.println. Mm, why all the test cases are not passing? Okay. Double, then and for character C. Okay, let's try to run first. Okay. Mm, test case 0. Okay. Mm, why all the test cases are not passing? Okay. Mm, okay. Mm, the test case is not passing. Okay, let's try one thing. First, take the integer input, then simply print, then long, then different float, then for double print double, for character we'll paste it. Okay. Mm, let's try to submit. Okay, still test cases are not passing. Okay, let's see. Mm, okay. That is the reason why the test cases are not passing. Print float round off to 2 decimal places and double to 4 decimal places. Okay, we have to print the float to round off 2 decimal places and double to 4 decimal places. Okay, so here we need to add some decimal format. Let's create a variable for it. Decimal format equals to new decimal format, and in bracket we need to pass how much we have to take a round off for float for 2 decimal points. And here we need to add df dot df dot format. Okay, and in bracket f. Okay, and for double as well, we have to do the same thing for the decimal format df, and how much here we need for double 4 decimal places. See, and here as well df dot format and in bracket d. Okay, now let's try to run. Okay, what error is showing? Decimal cannot find the symbol decimal format. Okay, for that we need to add some libraries as well. Import java dot math dot rounding mode, nding rounding mode. Yes, and second one, import java dot text dot decimal format. Okay, now let's try to run. Already defined. Okay, we need to change to decimal character. Now we have to change this to decimal character. Let's try to run. Okay, now output is showing. So now let's try to submit the code. See, now all the test cases are passing. All the test cases was not passing because of here we have given a condition that the float, we need to print a round of the float up to 2 decimal points and double to 4 decimal points. That's why the test cases are not passing. So that's it.